Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So seeing a deposit failed message on Etsy means your payments couldn't be transferred to your bank account, which can delay receiving your earnings. Fortunately, this issue is usually caused by fixable banking or verification problems. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the deposit failed error on Etsy in 2026 safely, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, important reality check. So deposit failures usually come from bank issues. Etsy keeps your funds safe during failure. Payouts retries happen automatically, and it's work on mobile and desktop. Okay. So check why the deposit failed. So common causes include incorrect IBAN or account number, bank accounts closed or inactive, currency mismatch, or bank rejected incoming transfer, or maybe even verification incomplete. So check your Etsy email or finances and go to payment account for details. Okay, so now verify your bank information. So log into Etsy, open shop manager. Okay, then go to finance, select payment settings. Okay, and c- check carefully IBAN entered correctly, correct bank country, no extra spaces, active bank account. So one incorrect digit causes payout failure. Okay, you can also confirm account holder name match. So it requires ownership matching. So your bank account name must match each account holder name, registered business name. Okay, so using another person's bank accounts may fail deposits. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.